Oh, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got something very special to show you guys. It is the best mod that you can get for your car under $15. This little thing I'm about to show you guys right now is actually a gift from a very special friend of mine. Greg, if you're watching, this is for you, man. I appreciate the gift, man. I appreciate everything you do for me. You are the man. This right here, boys, this is the new mod I'm telling you guys right now. This right here is a golden oil cap made out of aluminum. It's got this cool gasket right here on the bottom. It's got fucking threads all around it. It's sick, man. It's pretty cool. It got the STI stamp on it. I know what you guys are gonna say. Your car's not an STI, bro. Why you have the STI stamp? Why you have the STI wing? Why you have the STI oil cap? I don't know, man. This is a gift, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna rock it. This is my friend, man. He gave it to me for free, shipped it to my house here in Oklahoma. My dude. I'm gonna swing down to the garage, open her up, and show you guys. We're gonna install this bad boy, pop the old one off, pop that one off, and then put this one, bam, put this motherfucker on there, boom, squeeze it down, just thread it in. Yeah, buddy. It's gonna be a badass day. $15, guys. Can't beat it. No, it's not a sticker. This is actual aluminum. Cool, I'm gonna take you guys down. Man, let's go install this bad boy, man. Greg, shout out to Greg. I'm gonna link his Instagram right here on the bottom. Boom, y'all should go check it out. Modified Blobeye, Subaru WRX. It's got the STI wing, gold BBSs, man. The sweet tire decals, man. It's a badass car. I want you guys to check out, man. He is a phenomenal friend, badass car enthusiast. Shout out to Greg, man. He sent me this here today for me to provide a video for you guys, and let's do it. All right, man, first things first, you want to get your car in a cool, clean, dry environment. You do not want no rain coming down, getting into your oil reservoir, or getting into the engine at all. And right here is your oil cap, boom, boom, engine oil. I don't even think this thing's gonna fit. Oh well, we're gonna find out, Greg. I do appreciate the gift though, man, but let's see if she even works out. I'm gonna get you guys on the tripod. Boom, first things first, you wanna get that old one off. Get your new one. It's the old one right here, boys. Right here. 5W30. Man, if I put the new one on, I'm not even gonna know what oil to put in my car anymore. Get the new one. Bam, they're about the same color. This one's just shinier. Oh my God, it fucking fits, dude. Barely. Look at the clearance I have between that and my oil filter. Wow, hold on, let's see. Let's keep it going. Okay, yep. The STI logo isn't pointing towards me, but we can fix that. I'm gonna replace, I'm gonna change out the gasket. I'm gonna put this gasket on there and see if it fits. Alright guys, unfortunately changing the gasket out actually did not really get it straightened, but I'm okay with that. A slanted STI, since my car is not actually an STI. If it was an STI, it'd go, you know, but it's not. So it's gonna slant. You know what I'm saying? There it is, boys. That's the install right there. Get everything cleaned up, and I'm actually about to take her for a wash. Let's talk about her for a little bit, man. If you guys notice in the front, I split the headlights and put the dial dynamic C lights in there, and it's got the sequential blinker, whatever you want to call it, like that. Well, recently I want you guys to check this out. The right hand side from driver view has actually took a dump on me. Yep. I made sure I went in and made sure all the wires was tied, and there shouldn't be any reason why they're not working, but they don't work no more. As for the rear bumper, I still haven't gone to Subaru to go get the paint match, but I have my buddy Braxton, that you guys probably seen in the video of the bumper of the hit and run when I got hit and run in Dallas. He just had some red laying around the shop, and he was kind enough to paint it on there just to get rid of the black marks and the scratches. But I'm gonna run the Subaru and actually get the correct paint and see if it'll hide that defect. Boom, another issue. eBay wings. Look at that. Cracking up, air getting under the paint. No primer as well, nope. Nothing. Same thing over here. This side's starting to take a dump on me as well. Shit happens, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up. I'm gonna load the car up. My girl's gonna come with me. She's gonna record for me. We're about to wash this bad boy. Let's give her a wash, boys. Car notifies me when it says it's time for an oil change. And if you guys that own one, you guys should know that. I put that new oil cap on. You seen it, baby? Yeah, the one Greg bought me.
I'm about to check it out.
Yeah, hopefully.
How shiny it looks.
It's pretty shiny. Matches the wheels.
Look at the sky. It's so beautiful right now. Windows down type of weather. You really don't get much of this weather in Wichita, really.
Where's the bank, babe? Let's see it. Right up the street from the house. It's car wash. I'm about to go try it out.
The ghetto. We're about to find out. Thank God in the Subaru. We're going to this one.
This one is only point operated, and all I got is my debit card. So she can stay dirty. Okay.
We've been having fails all day.
But we're about to head to Ben's and eat some pizza. Let's go, man. Go get some pizza. I'm about to go get some beer too. Yep.
So are you sad?
Not really. I don't care. Check this out, dude. I got the daytime running harness attached. Only one works now, man. It looks so ridiculous. I'm pissed off, man.
One day, one lights out?
Yeah, one C lights out. So I guess it's time to go Subi speed headlights or something, man. I'm thinking about upgrading the headlights here soon, so I don't know what I'm gonna get, but when the time comes, that's when I'll get it. But right now, I'm not too worried about it, man. Let's go eat some pizza.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the